Good morning, students. We are moving to the next lesson, that is construction of quadrilaterals. This portion discusses to construct different kinds of quadrilaterals with specific measurements. You have seen different kinds of quadrilaterals already, like square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, like that. To draw a square, only the length of side or the length of diagonals are needed or need to specify. If the length of side is given or the diagonals are given, you can draw or you can construct a square. Just to refresh your memory, draw a square of side 4 centimeter. How we are drawing it? Using a set square or a compass, you can draw a square. Draw a square of side 4 centimeter. So first of all, we have to draw a line of length 4 centimeter. Draw the line with 4 centimeter. Then using a set square, you can draw the other sides. Keep the set square like this. Then you draw 4 centimeter here. So mark 4 centimeter. This you are getting a right angle here. Again draw the next next side. Keep the set square properly on line and draw 4 centimeter here. So you can see here 4 centimeter. Again the next side. So you got a square of 4 centimeter. So using set square, we draw this square. So the set square, we are placing it such that the right angle coincide with one end of the line. Okay, one end of the line. Okay, one end of the line, and we are drawing the perpendicular side. Okay, the same square you can draw with the protractor also. First of all, you have to draw a 4 centimeter line. Then in the protractor, draw 90 degree. Mark 90 degree on both ends. And you have to mark 4 centimeter from this end. So the 4 centimeter, so it should be 2. One, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. Okay. So then you have to join it. Here it is 4 centimeter. Here also you have to draw 4 centimeter. Draw another 4. Then you have to join this line. That also will be 4 centimeter. Instead of length of side, they give the diagonals. Diagonal means from the opposite corners, if you draw a line, that is a diagonal. So this is the diagonal. If you draw a diagonal, this square is split into 2 right triangles. You can see here 2 right triangles we are getting here. This diagonal is splitting this square into 2 right angle triangles. And if you measure this angle, we are getting an angle of 45 degree. 0 to 10 is 45. Okay. So this angle you are getting as 45 degree. And if you measure the other side also, if you measure this also, you are getting same 45 degree. So this angle is also 45 degree angle. So one angle is a right angle and other 2 angles are 45 degree each. So this triangle you can call it as an isosceles triangle. Okay, if you measure here also you will get 45, this also 45. So this is an isosceles triangle. So this is an isosceles triangle because these two angles are equal and this is a right angle triangle. Or you can see the base angles of a triangle, base angle of a triangle are equal in isosceles triangles, and this diagonal bisect this angle also. See the question, draw a square of diagonal 5 centimeter. The previous one we drawn, the side is given. Here the diagonal is given. If the diagonal is given, then how will you construct? First of all, you have to draw a horizontal line. Draw the horizontal line, and at one end of this horizontal line, you have to mark an angle of 45 degree. Mark an angle of 45 degree. So join the line, you will get like this. So this angle is a 45 degree angle. Then keep the length of the diagonal as 5 centimeter. The length of the diagonal, make it as 5 centimeter. So this is the point. So this is the point, the line having length till here. Okay, it is 5 centimeter. Then you have to draw a perpendicular here. We have studied that the base angles are same. So from this angle you can take a 45 degree angle. Mark 45 degree is the point. So from that point you have to draw a straight line. Draw the line, you will get like this. So this is a right angle triangle. So then this is 5 centimeter, 45 degree. From this angle you take 45 degree and mark the perpendicular length. Then from this also you can construct the square. Keep the protractor here and mark 90 degree. Then join the line. And from this line also you have to draw a 90 degree perpendiculars. So you get a square here. So you have to join this. Then you have to clear out this outside lines. So here you are getting a square. So a square of diagonal 5 centimeter. You have to draw it. First of all you draw a vertical line. Then from here 45 degree angle you have to mark it. Then mark 5 centimeter. And from again you have to mark 45 degree angle and you will get a right angle here. Then from this corner and from this corner also, using protractor, mark 90 degree and join the line. You will get a square of diagonal 5 centimeter. This is the square of side 4 centimeter. So this diagonal is splitting this right square into two right angle triangles. Draw a circle and two perpendicular diameters and join their ends. So I took 4 centimeter in a compass and drawn the circle. Centimeter square, 4 centimeter radius. You have to draw a circle. Draw the diameter. For drawing the next diameter, keep the protractor like this and mark the 90 degree angle from both the ends. then join these lines. If you join that, you will get two diameters, AC and BD. Then if you join these corners from C to D, D to A to B and B to C, you will get a square. So first of all, I am joining A and B. AB is joined. Next you can join AD. Join AD. Next you can join DC and CB. You got a square like this, A, B, C, D, and OAB and OBC, OCD and ODA are congruent triangles. Congruent means equal triangles you are getting. 4 triangles you are getting. Okay, so these all are right angle. Here one triangle, next triangle, here. Okay, 4 right angle triangles you are getting. All are congruent or equal in size. So you got a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. If you remove this circle, you will get a quadrilateral or a square of A, B, C, D. See the speciality of a square. All the sides are equal. Okay, the sides are equal length. Opposite sides are parallel. These are the opposite sides. All angles are right angles. Here 4 angles you are getting, that all are right angle triangle, right angles. And diagonals are equal. If you draw a line from this corner to that corner and from here to here, the length of the diagonal should be equal. And one more thing, the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Okay, they are perpendicular bisectors of each other. So these are the different specialities of a square. You are familiar with the kite. What is the usual shape? You can see the shape of the kite. Okay, the usual shape is a quadrilateral, and the speciality is the pair of adjacent sides. These two sides are equal. These two sides are also equal. Pair of adjacent sides are equal. These two sides and here these two sides are equal, and such quadrilateral is called a kite. Okay, the shape of a kite is here with the adjacent sides equal. This is the shape of a quadrilateral. Can you draw these patterns of squares in your notebook? You can see here 3 squares you can see joined there, and the length of the side of a square is 2 centimeter. So how can we draw this squares? If we extend this line, you can see 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter you can see. So the total length of the square is 6 centimeter. So like that, first of all you have to draw a 6 centimeter square, and from that you have to mark 2 centimeter length, and you have to find the pattern and erase the unnecessary parts. Okay, so you will get a required pattern. So first of all you have to draw a side of 6 centimeter square. Draw a line of 6 centimeter and you have to mark 2 centimeter each. You have to mark like this. In 2 centimeters you have to mark it separately, and the other you have to complete the square first with the 6 centimeter side. Either you have to use the protractor or set square to complete the square. So keep the set square like this. For the next side here, mark 2 centimeter each. Again you can draw the other side. Keep the set square like this and draw a line of 6 centimeter and mark 2 centimeter each on the other side. Then you complete the square by drawing the upside part. While drawing, you are getting a square of 6 centimeters length. Okay, then when we already marked each 2 centimeters, then I have to join these lines. Okay, join the opposite corners, then from here to here. So you can see the small squares inside, and we need a pattern of 2 centimeter here, 2 centimeter here, and a 2 centimeter square here. So you have to mark the square pattern whatever you needed. So which is the pattern we need, that you have to mark it. So you got 3 squares here, and the other parts you can erase it. The final pattern we are getting like this, 2 centimeter square here and join to the next 2. So this is the final pattern. So first of all you have to draw a 6 centimeter square, then each 2 centimeter you have to mark it and draw the lines to the opposite side. Then whichever the pattern we need, that you have to take it, and others should be rubbed off. Next question. Draw this pattern. Here a square of 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So same like the previous one, if you extend this line, here 2 centimeter, here 1 centimeter. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 should be a 7 centimeter square. You have to draw it first. 7 centimeter square you have to draw it, and mark 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Then you have to complete the pattern. So see here, first of all you have to draw a 7 centimeter square and mark 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter in one side. Here 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1 here also. Then you have to mark the opposite lines. Then whichever the squares we need, that you have to mark it, others you can rub it off. Draw a 7 centimeter square first, then mark 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter all the sides. Then you have to draw the opposite lines, and see the lines drawn here, again on the other side also. So draw like this. Then which is the pattern we need? This one, here, these 3 patterns, that you have to mark it properly. So we need only these three figures of 4 centimeter square, 2 centimeter square and 1 centimeter square. Other things you have to rub it off. So this is the final pattern of squares: 4 centimeter square, 2 centimeter square and 1 centimeter square. So first of all draw a 7 centimeter square, then mark 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Then whichever the pattern we need, that you have to complete it. The next pattern, you can see 2 centimeter squares. So how can we draw it? You can draw a diagonal of 6 centimeter from this end to this end. You can see 6 centimeter length. Diagonal you can draw. From here also you can draw a diagonal, and you can complete the square. So draw a diagonal of 6 centimeter. Then complete the squares. Draw the diagonal with the 6 centimeter and mark points with the 2 centimeter each in diagonals. Then the sides of squares also 2 centimeter you have to mark it. Then we need the whatever the pattern we need, that you have to mark it properly. So to draw a diagonal of 6 centimeter, and each 2 centimeter you have to mark it. Here. Each 2 centimeter you have to mark it. Mark 2 centimeter and join these ends, so you will get a square. Join the ends, you are getting the square. So you got a square of 6 centimeter. Next, you have to join these lines like this. Join the lines. You see, the opposite lines will be joined on this side also. Then which is the pattern we need, that you have to shade it out. You can strike off others, whatever you needed, that you take it, and others should be rubbed it. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 squares. Other squares you can rub it. So you will get the final one. And if you need, you can rub this diagonal also. And if you need, you can shade the pattern. So this is the final one.